Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Tuesday, October 29th. Another day, another record, albeit in some quiet action yesterday. E-mini S&P finished up 1759, new high 1762 and a quarter with a low at 1751 and a half, so only an 11-point range during the session, but really most of the action was within a 6-point range all day long. Dow futures up 21, 15,493. Dow still lagging behind all the other major indexes. The Nasdaq was up 9.5 at 3374, got as high as 3391 with a previous high at 3392, so not quite there before it backed off some. Currencies quiet again, 79.31 in the dollar index, up 6. The range was 79.45 to 79.20, so again trading very much sideways, consolidating, trying to decide direction here. Euro currency 138.07, unchanged on the session, got up to 138.19. The high of the session before was 138.27. So 138.34, sorry, so it didn't quite get there either. Bonds, nothing happening, 15-point range in the bonds, 135.07, down 4 was the close. Crude oil finally got a nice little bounce here. We did have that reversal last week, and we're getting some good follow-through on it. 98.68 is where it closed, up 83 cents. And lastly, gold, after having a big surge last week, up almost $40, finished at 13.52 on the session, unchanged yesterday. So after the quiet action, Apple earnings, the Fed meetings this week, where do things stand here on this Tuesday morning to start a new trading day? Well, we're steady. We're at 1758.5, down a half a point in the E-mini S&P. We're up 4 in the Dow at 15,522, but we're off a quarter point in the Nasdaq at 33.83 as all this gets sorted out. The dollar's getting a little bit more firm, 79.49, so pushed above yesterday's highs. It's up 18, taking the euro currency back below 138 again. We're at 137.61, down 46. Again, 136 is the key level of support there with an upside technical target 4 points higher at 140. Bonds doing nothing, 135.02, down 5. Crude oil's given up some of its gains from yesterday, 98.04, down 64 with the firmer dollar. And lastly, we've got gold down $7 at 13.45 as the dollar adds on a little bit here and holding above the 79 level. So to wrap up the current action, 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open. Nothing happening. We're steady right now. We're down half a point in the E-mini S&P after making new all-time record highs again yesterday at 1762 and a quarter up above to keep an eye on. We're at 1758 and a half, down a half. We've got the Dow futures up 4 points at 15,522, still 150 points or so off of the record highs in the Dow that's really been lagging behind. I will see you early Wednesday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.